the hood? We're just checking out a sound here. Put it in gear. Park. Put it in park. Come and listen now.
Yeah, that's what I heard before. Yeah.
You can hear it right through the hood.
Yeah, I could hear it through there too.
Well, that's how I did the video. Yeah, you can hear it plain as day right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I could hear it with the hood closed down. I could hear it when I was driving. And when you speed up, that noise speeds up. How do you rev it a little bit?
Strange noises coming from a 3.3 Dodge Caravan. Anyone had a similar noise, just let me know. We did check the alternator for noises, the pulley, and the power steering. Right in here.